Ever sent a perfectly clear email only for your client to completely ignore it, or had a conversation where you thought they got it, but they totally didn't? That's because there's a very big difference between communication and conversation. And if you don't get it right, your business and your sanity will very definitely suffer. Today, I'll show you how to use both to build stronger relationships, get better clients, and run a smoother bookkeeping business. Let's break it down. Communication is information exchange. Emails, invoices, Slack messages, proposal. It's pretty much a one-way directive. Here's what I need from you. The problem, info can be misread, ignored, or completely misinterpreted, especially your tone. Conversation, on the other hand, is about relationship building. These are Zoom calls, meetings, voice messages, in-person phone conversations, and talks. This is a two-way exchange. Here's what I need, and how do you feel about that? The result is trust, clarity, and way fewer misunderstandings. Most business owners focus only on communication, but without conversation, your clients won't feel heard, and people do business with those they trust. Here's where most bookkeepers and business owners in general go wrong. Mistake number one, over-reliance on email. Clients scan emails. They don't often read any of the details. The solution? Use voice notes, maybe Loom videos, or even short calls for clarity. Mistake number two, they're transactional, not relational. Send me this versus, hey, how's business going? And I am very guilty of that one, often. So build the relationships, don't just send one-way messages. Mistake three, no follow-up. If you've sent an email and you don't get a reply, follow up. Check in. Ask them if they need clarification. That's a great way to open that door. If you only communicate but never have real conversations, your clients see you just as a service provider, not a trusted advisor. So how can we fix this? Simple. We're going to use the right tool at the right time. Use communications or emails for facts, numbers, deadlines, paper trail and documentation, and simple, clear requests. Use conversations, namely phone calls, for complex topics like pricing, scope changes, building a rapport and trust, and emotional or very sensitive discussion. When in doubt, pick up the phone. That's an old phone thing, but I'm old. Pick up the phone. This is where you cannot afford to be generationally geared toward texting only. You actually need to pick up the phone when you're in business. Often, a 3-minute phone call can prevent a 3-day email disaster. Your bookkeeping business isn't just about numbers. It's really about relationships. And relationships aren't built on emails. So before you hit send on your next email, ask yourself, does this need a conversation instead? Trust me, your clients and your business will thank you. Want more strategies on running a stress-free bookkeeping practice? Hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your worst client miscommunication? We've all got them. Sometimes they're just embarrassing. Other times they can do some real damage. We'd love to hear from you. Also, down in the comments, do your clients prefer email, phone, or text? Or do you not know and you're assuming? And if you have an extra 4 minutes, we invite you to watch our next episode, Choice versus Chance. Are you a lucky bookkeeper? I am.